So if is a function that tests a logical expression, and if it returns true, it returns the value set if it's true, and if false, it returns the value set if false. So first, let's go to cell C9 and select it, then go to formulas, logical, and select if, and now the arguments for if have come up. So our logical test is, if this amount is under or equal to £3,000, then they're within budget, and if it's more than £3,000, then they're over budget. So let's click this, and less than or equal to 3,000, and if that's true, they are within budget. So type in within budget in speech marks, and if that's false, we are going to type in over budget in speech marks, and click OK, and it displays within budget because this is less than £3,000. Now let's use these two cells to display our text instead. So click cell C9 and click this FX button, and it brings it back up. Now we can delete these two and instead use these cells. So if it's true, we want it to display within budget, so let's click this cell. And if it's false, so it's over budget, so click that. And now it still displays within budget. But if I use the autofill handle and drag it down, it just returns a bunch of zeros. Now this is because in this cell, it uses these two cells to check. And in the next one, it's changed because once you use autofill, Excel automatically moves these. But it doesn't know we don't want to do that. So let's click undo and go back to the FX, and here we have to use something called absolute cell referencing. So to do this, just press F4 on your keyboard, which just basically adds in two $signs, one before the letter, one before the number, and do the same thing. And now when we drag it down, it should stay the same and work. So for this one, it uses these two, and if you check this one, same thing, and so on. So this concludes the if tutorial. Thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe.